So we're planning to go over the old road, Mahaica Old Road. If you go left, you go to Georgetown. If you go right, you go to Borbies. So we're trying to go straight over just to see what it looks like after so many decades. I haven't go over there. So let's see what happens. If I can remember anything, right? If you remember anything to say it, right? I can't remember. Like those houses, like those are new houses. What's mango? You buy a mango?
Yeah, nice. Simple.
Right?
You know, fruits, man. I want to know.
You don't eat enough fruit?
I say, I eat enough mango. What we can mango spoil the house.
Yeah. The cashew juice, yeah, when you bite it.
What is school? Remember this school?
Yeah. Helena. Oh, yeah, I can remember just because Helena, right? Helena Primary School. All right, good luck, best wishes, educators and scholars. Yeah, I tried to see if we can remember anything.
You remember what that guy been living? I don't know where he lived.
Oh.
Them. The boy who got a house at end.
The music, them, right? The music.
Oh, yeah.
Right, so then get that in the background, not too hard. Yeah. Right.
What a guy name, man. No, get the place on a station road. From there, I was gonna custom. That name is for me.
Me can't even remember the time.
Sheriff, my sheriff.
Oh yeah. We passed. The dark boy. He married a black girl.
Yes.
The teacher.
He bought in a mirror where he bought in a place. I end more. When you go in Station Road,
Hey.
I force out over there.
Spanner?
Not
Not Spanner. Oh. Yesterday we see Spanner. Yeah. Okay, right? I remember these houses. The Stern.
He had
Hello.
2 live around it too.
This is Estern, right?
Yes.
Alright, I remember this.
Let me take a look through, yeah.
Estern. This is the famous Estern. Amo them used to live through here. Remember the Estern? Officer! Yeah. This is the right song for this street, right? Coming back after so many years. At least 2 decades, yeah? 2 decades. Nothing in ringing a bell right now. But I remember Esther. People still traveling here. I mean, people still getting business. Like people who had the businesses here, right? It's not a prime area, like before.
Remember this next school? School over there.
Yeah.
The one with school there.
Jonestown?
Mahaica something.
Can't remember Jonestown. Look,
primary, yeah.
dogs here, right? Look. And this is Mahaica Primary. But every section gets special name, like Helena, number 1, number 2.
It's been a one though. It's been a actually
One Love?
Yeah.
The man we used to drive over on Borbies and stuff?
Yeah.
Right here? Oh, okay. Yeah. But you came through here recently, yeah? Like,
Maybe come to the December month.
yeah. But you notice something on this road? How it's narrow, right?
Yes.
And the road very
just
narrow.
Imagine that they might used to drive over Borbies.
2-way, full speed.
Full speed, man.
Full speed on this
17,
road.
17 and cut and then guy, oh my god.
Look at that.
Look at the drive.
They extended this road the same way. And what's another store here, right? Yeah. Look at that. The man just hanging out by clean up. Do you see how narrow this road is? I just told you, but I'm emphasizing this, telling you again, because full speed, Borbies, GT to Borbies, people used to, fly through these roads. And now what so bad roads we have, right? And more accidents, more people dying every week. What is it? Drugs, alcohol, speeding. Take your time, buddy. If you want to kill yourself, that's something different. But don't try to end someone else's life, right? I'm not encouraging him to be, but be responsible, man. Think of others, right? Think of others. I always tell my son, driving is a responsibility. It's a privilege, right? It's not a right, because your driver's license can be taken away from you anytime. Look at this, natural scenery. This is what I remember, the open land, the open space. Look at this. This is a cemetery from the other side. You can see the cemetery from the new road. Look at this, right? But the road maintained. The road's still good. Look at this. If you like natural scenery, greenery, they still have vehicle coming through, Like I said, if you want, you could at least listen to the song or something, man. This is natural. This is really nature. Look at this. So what happened, because this is the old road now, because of the new road, is that less traffic. So that's why certain things are not excellently kept, but it's in good shape, right? Look at the canals, well kept, the pangola grass, and the road is pretty. I didn't see one pothole since from Mahaica, the old road. I think we're going into Unity now when we make this turn here on the right. I remember I used to ride bicycle from Clanbrook, this old road, all the way. Remember, this is a longer distance, right? All the way to Mahaica Market, Mahaica area. Now if you're riding bicycle from Clanbrook, you're just taking like 15 minutes, you can reach Mahaica. Back in the day, we used to take like at least 35-40 minutes riding. I remember this turn, and when you turn here, you get Unity. Oh, the bus is still coming on the old road to get passengers, you see? He will still live here. Come by! Yeah. ISO's on the right. No, not this. You know why? No, not this. The other street come to the other side, the right, left side. Yeah. So the other stuff building here, like businesses. Yeah, I think the ice house is here. Ice house on the right, and this is last dam. Last dam here. Yeah. Second to last dam. Yeah. Yeah. Third to last dam, and so on and so forth. Yeah. Oh, sure. What we go through here? I see the buyer there. My student, let's go through here.
Which street?
Any street you can go through here. Right through here. Through here.
You know
Yeah. Yeah. No, the guy's sister. Right through here. Hey, Mama. Where about you? You alright? Where are people? The buyer dead the other day. Where you live?
Yeah, back Kevin.
Kevin, yeah.
Still back.
Back street. Alright, I'm gonna go. Just say hi to them and give my personal condolences to Kevin that just died. Oh, rest in peace, brother. Young guy. I don't know the circumstances of the accident, but I taught his sister in school. Oh, this is all. We used to play cricket here. This is a small battlefield. I remember Chandrapal had a house here or something. Yeah, but we used to play cricket here, star ball cricket. Yeah, yeah.
This way?
Yeah, I'm thinking of that street. That's not it. From through here over. Oh, Uncle, where Kevin used to live? Hey, boss, where Kevin used to live? The boy just passed away.
That's the road.
Uh-huh.
And we that turn up the side, sir.
Uh-huh.
The first white turn.
Forest White. Thank you, brother. Thank you, man. Alright.
Are we there Unity?
Unity.
Anyway.
Yeah. So this is the old Unity, the old road. You get this area. Mhm. So you make a ton of forest house. Yeah. So those of you from Unity, all the back here, I know. Yeah, the forest house on the right. I remember back here. So I think this house here with the pole in here, Kevin, the guy just died. My God, hope the sister and the family are home. So that was the father of Kevin. I just spoke to her. It's heartbreaking. I just came here. There's a small way of giving my sympathy to his family. Kevin was a brilliant, vibrant, religious leader. Whatever he do in his personal life, I don't know him that personally, but I remember I taught his only sister at Coventry Secondary School. So that rang a bell, and that's why I came here with my brother-in-law to coming back from Cane Grove to give my personal condolences on losing someone, you know. In Hinduism teaches us this, but about life and death and reincarnation and all of that. But when it hits you because of the attachment that you have in for this loved one, it's really difficult. So anyone who's lost a loved one, or your neighbor or whoever, my heartfelt condolences to you, and be there strong, and give your best shot at life. You know, when that person's alive, that's when it's more needed. All right, so show your love, unconditional love, and all the best. And I think we're gonna end this video shortly. Anyway, I want to show you the rest. Yeah, we should find out how much of the cashew. Here used to be Siloam, the old Siloam leprosy. They used to treat, yeah. At Wat Narayan, I had a classmate at Wat Narayan, one of these houses. He's in Lowland now. If you go through here, Top Uplift here, Top Uplift through here. They're making that Siloam had a cricket ground there. There's a nursery school. Yeah, I remember nursery school. I used to take out pictures there. Rahim, that Rahim wife on Greenfield. Hi. Yeah. So this is still on the old road, right? Yeah. I used to sell newspaper here too. Yeah, one of these houses. Right there is a property for sale. Right there, I think. Watch right there. Past there, and the lady used to live here, my friend. Open yard. Church here. The mandir there. Jai Shri Ram. And the big yard used to have all the fruit trees. This is Bar Jagdeo Street, the vice president. Chandrapal used to play cricket here. I used to play cricket here. Gibson Primary School. Here. Lokanan. I think Gautama used to live here, somewhere here. Yeah. The recipes got my wife. But then they used to live through Ban. This guy used to be old KK ownership. Alright, so we're coming out here at, I remember Garbaran used to live here. National cricketer through the street here. Cremation through here used to have too. I heard there's a new Chinese or chicken fried chicken places here. So we're coming out here. So you see Mahaica's meadow here. That's where it's gonna be a big mall. That's a new road here, and we're coming out to the old road now, heading back to Clanbo. All right. So all the best wishes to you and your family. Hope you continue to have a meaningful life with them, and peace and love. Remember, say no to alcohol and drugs. If you are drinking, I should say no drinking, but please drink responsibly. I'm always adding that to it because everything we drink for. Somebody died, you drink. Somebody born, you drink. Birthday, you drink. Wedding, you drink. Anything you think about, we drink. So it had has to be a good thing, but if it's such a good thing, try to enjoy it in a moderate, responsible way, right? That's what I'm saying. I don't drink, don't smoke, do drugs, but I'm just saying, and I'm not better than you, and you're not better than I am. So hear me out. That's what I'm saying. Please say no to alcohol and drugs, and if you can, please be responsible. One love from as we entering Greenfield now, all the way Greenfield, Guyana, 2025.
Remember,